I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything down and eliminating the easy causes. Unplug the monitor and PC for 30 seconds, then reconnect. This clears transient firmware and handshake errors. Next, inspect the cable. Look for kinks, bent pins, or loose plugs, and swap it with a known good HDMI or DisplayPort cable to rule cable faults. Once done, boot with an alternate device or port to confirm whether the issue is the monitor or the source. This narrows your path forward quickly. With hardware basics covered, move into signal and software troubleshooting. Set the display to its native resolution and the highest stable refresh rate. Mismatches can create horizontal or vertical lines. Update GPU drivers, and, if the monitor supports it, apply firmware updates to fix known panel issues. Inspect any adapters and the GPU output. Reset the GPU, try different GPU outputs, and avoid passive adapters when possible, because they can degrade signal integrity. Finish by verifying the panel and connections. Run the monitor self-test image or factory, reset to clear internal settings, and reveal whether lines persist independent of input. Carefully press along the bezel and viewer area while the monitor displays a solid color to detect flaky internal connectors. This can indicate a failing cable or panel assembly. If lines remain after these steps, record the exact behavior and timestamps. Then contact the manufacturer or a repair shop under warranty for panel replacement or professional diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.